So welcome to today's daily cipher. So the daily cipher for today is NONCE. So we go to the daily cipher dashboard. So when it is dot, you tap on the screen. When it is dash, you long press. So the first one, N, that's dash and dot. Then O, that's 3 dash. 3 dash. Then N again, dash and dot. Then C dash dot dash dot dash dot dash dot. Then the last one, dot. So that's the daily cipher for today. You take your price. Do well to like, subscribe to our channel so that you can be getting more updates from us every day. See you next time for more updates.